Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fly High with English. Let's learn daily sentences. तुझी फॅमिली पुढच्या आठवड्यात मुंबईला शिफ्ट होणार आहे का? Is your family moving to Mumbai next week? Is your family moving to Mumbai next week? मी त्याला शर्ट गिफ्ट केला आहे. I have gifted him a shirt. I have gifted him a shirt. या प्रोजेक्टवर किती कामगार काम करत आहेत? How many workers are working on this project? How many workers are working on this project? ते ताणलेले होते. They were thirsty. They were thirsty. मला नवीन जॉब मिळाला आहे. I have got a new job. I have got a new job. तू रोज सकाळी योगा करतो का? Do you do yoga every morning? Do you do yoga every morning? मी माझ्या आजोबांसोबत वॉकला जाते. I go for a walk with my grandfather. I go for a walk with my grandfather. तू आत्ता जेवत आहेस का? Are you having meal now? Are you having meal now? मॅच पाहायला त्याने टीव्ही चालू केला. He turned on the television to watch the match. He turned on the television to watch the match. ब्रेड आणायला मी बेकरीत गेलो होतो. I had gone to the bakery to buy some bread. I had gone to the bakery to buy some bread. पुढच्या महिन्यात मी सुट्टीवर जाणार आहे. I am going on holiday next month. I am going on holiday next month. तिने कॉफी बनविली होती. She had made coffee. She had made coffee. तू कसा पडला? How did you fall? How did you fall? आजचे हवामान कालच्यासारखे आहे. The weather today is the same as yesterday. The weather today is the same as yesterday. ती थकलेली दिसते. She looks tired. She looks tired. नवीन कार घेण्यासाठी मी पैशांची बचत केली. I saved money in order to buy a new car. I saved money in order to buy a new car. बघता बघता मुलं मोठी झाली. Children grew up in the blink of an eye. Children grew up in the blink of an eye. जेवण वाढले आहे. Food has been served. Food has been served. बाहेर अंधार आहे. It's dark outside. It's dark outside. जसं आहे तसं राहू दे. Let it be as it is. Let it be as it is. तुला कसे लागले? How did you get hurt? How did you get hurt? आम्हाला माहिती देण्यात आली. We were informed. We were informed. जर पाऊस आला तर? What if it rains? What if it rains? आपण सोबत गेलो असतो. We would go together. We would go together. ती कधी खरं बोलली नाही. She never spoke the truth. She never spoke the truth. Goodbye friends.